So my name is Hugo Lesnick. I'm the manager of the professional service group at Averna. I've been at Averna for almost 8 years now. I started as a software developer, then I went to becoming a tech leader, a team leader after that, and now after 8 years I'm the manager of the group. What impressed me the most at Averna, maybe two things. The first one was the first Friday. We always have donuts, and the first time I entered into the cafeteria, it was like a dream. It was like full of donuts of all color of the rainbow. So that was the first thing that impressed me the most. The second thing, and probably the most important, is the fact that it's really an open space. So it's a different mindset that I used to know before that. So everyone was close together, everyone was talking on different projects together. So the vibe was very good. So that was probably the two most thing that impressed me the more when I began at Averna. Well, the culture at Averna, it's really open mind. So if you want to learn, if you want to work on a specific project, I think Averna give the possibility to do it. So it's probably the most important thing about Averna is that if you want to do it, if you want to do something, you will be able to do it here. So my role at Averna, I'm the manager of the professional software group. Basically, I have a group of 24 people under me. They are people in many disciplines. So we have a software developer, we have embedded software developer, we have software validation, system validation. We also have IT specialists. So it's really people that like to work on different projects. Often we work on 2-3 different projects per year. So they are like short-term or mid-term projects. We can work directly at client site, or we can work here at the office. There's also possibility to work in the R&D group. So really, if you want to do something, I just need to know, and probably it's possible to make it happen depending on the opportunities that we have in the future. So the typical day for my team can be very different depending if you're working at the client site or if you're working at the office. So for those who work at the client site, well, they need to adjust to how the client work for this project. So it varies from a client to another. Here at Averna, it's a bit the same thing. Each project can work a bit differently depending of the type of project. The people that work in my group are also working with different groups, so can work with the software, the mechanic, the electric, R&D. So everyone is exposed to all the department, most of the department at Averna. So it's really something that is fun because you can learn a lot interacting with those departments. One of the projects that I am the most proud is a project that I worked for almost 3 years. So it was at the client site to do the architecture of a new test platform. So it was a project that we started from zero. We have to get the need, the requirement, and then to provide the technical solution. And it's fun to see that the project is used after 3 years in the production facility at the client. So it's the best reward that we can have. It's when people, for the client or people, are happy about the work that you did and that they are using it, and at the end that solution solves some important problem that they had before that. So if you want to work for Averna, one thing you're gonna be sure is that we have a lot of projects, we have a lot of technology. It's always projects that are fun. So if you want to see many projects, many technology, if you want to have fun, come and work at Averna.